Y'all, we just turned down this aisle.
This is an unusual meal, I know.
Right.
I know.
I put earplugs in this truck. This thing is loud. Let's go have some fun. Yeah, I'm gonna hot shoot it. This used to be a racehorse right here, everybody. Yeah, I seen a whole bunch of dudes talking about that up there right outside of town.
Something just came to my mind and I'm going to share it with y'all. I love to share the great ideas that I get with y'all. It's lunchtime now, and I'm thinking...
Is it?
Yes! Spam I am. I'm thinking about a good Spam sandwich right now. First, I need to find the bread. We're fixing to make the best Spam sandwich that y'all have ever saw and we have ever tasted. Now I know that it is that y'all have ever seen. Some of y'all got confused when I said saw. Y'all thought I was talking about sawing a board or something. That's the way we talk down here in the South, so I don't want to change from my people down here in Alabama and Georgia and, you know, South Carolina. I want to keep it where we can all understand each other, but I will then say it the right way. This is the best Spam sandwich that we have ever... Okay, let me start again. This is the best Spam sandwich that we are ever going to taste, probably, and that y'all are ever going to see. You know that felt better when I said it that way, Mama?
Yeah.
But I'm not changing who I am, and I'm not going to change us folks down here in the South. We're good people. We don't talk right, but we're good people.
We write right. If we write it down, we'll put the right words.
If we write it, we'll write it.
Right.
This is Spam, folks, right here. It's good, really good. Don't worry, son, I'm going to get you a Spam sandwich here in just a minute. Hang on, Bubba.
Oh, he's got hot pockets in hand already.
Son, don't do that to me. I got the best Spam sandwich you're ever gonna eat. Right here. Get you a knife. This ain't on yet, y'all. This is not on, okay? Everything's not on. And you wanna just take and slice this. Just about like that, y'all.
I like it thin.
You can kind of see that right there, you know? Now if you fry this and put some mayonnaise on a piece of bread, I'm gonna get another frying pan. We're gonna have two things going here.
Tyler wants to make refried beans to go with the...
Oh yeah, man. Yeah, refried beans to go with a Spam sandwich. We got any? Refried beans are good. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, we're getting there. Y'all, sometimes in life, you can eat food at restaurants, fancy food, so to speak, like a steak or something like that. But in my opinion, I don't know how it is everywhere in the world, but sometimes down here in the South, we just like some simple food.
Here's Tyler's specialty, refried beans.
This is an unusual meal, I know.
Right.
I know. Throw you some butter on a pan and your bread right down in there just like that, and you can toast it. It's actually better this way, y'all. A lot of people may not.
Kind of like when you toast it on a Blackstone. That Blackstone puts so much flavor on a piece of toast, you don't even need
nothing.
No.
You don't even need Spam on it. I mean,
you don't even need butter even. I mean, when you just turn that Blackstone, I mean butter it. We do butter it, but you wouldn't have to.
No, it's got good flavor. You don't need nothing. You won't need Spam. You won't need nothing. But this way, you're gonna want Spam on it.
The reason being because I've already cooked this Spam and I'm gonna put it on that bread.
Spam going on the plate. Let's check on our toast and we are there, folks. Look at that. Perfect. Absolutely perfect.
I'm going to show you where I put my toy box now, and it's underneath my bed.
Oh, where is it?
It's out up underneath my bed.
Oh,
We
okay.
better put some eggs on here. What we like to do is cut these things on a slant here, down here in the south.
Just like Barney's pockets.
Yeah, that's a good looking sandwich. I'm not even kidding you, that is good.
That's a big bird. Right there. It's a huge wingspan. It's a huge wingspan on that bird right there.
Is it?
Uh-huh. Look at the house that I made.
Oh, that's a nice house. Who's it for?
You.
Oh.
You can't actually fit in it, but if you were a toy and there was a little hole right there, you could.
Yeah. Cece, you do a good job. I mean, look at this strawberry plant. We're going in the Tractor Supply. Check out the chicks. That is adorable. How much is that? It's $10 too much, but it's
Now
adorable.
look at that.
Those trays are nice, the 2-tier trays.
Did we show them this last time?
No, we didn't. Look at that.
Look
That's
at this.
adorable.
You put your eggs in here and they just roll down. No, we ain't got none on there.
Oh, nope. I knew. I told him on the way here, watch him not have any.
And that's exactly what
Chicks.
happened. $4.99, that's my kind of price right
Oh,
there.
yeah. Y'all, we just turned down this aisle. And look.
Somebody's blocked it off. It must have been a plumber. Is there a problem down aisle 19?
Somebody did this for a joke. That's funny. Is this candid camera? That's
Well,
funny.
I just relieved aisle 19.
See, and look, somebody made our day. See,
Somebody?
that made our day.
You want to make sure you're making people's day.
We're in Ingalls now, by the way. Tractor Supply didn't have the chicks, and when we were on our way home, we just thought we'd come in here and cruise around.
Yeah.
But I smell coffee. You smell that coffee?
Oh, I do. I was thinking about coffee ice cream.
Java chip.
Folks, we all know. Sometimes
Oh yes, those are
you
great.
can beat these every now and then. Country fried steak, put a little of that gravy, little pat gravy.
Yeah. We're using this Panera Bread coffee again, y'all. Ingalls has it on sale again. It's great. Even Titus agrees with me this time. This, I think, is our favorite right now. We're gonna make a little fruit salad to go with our bacon and eggs this morning. So I just have an apple, orange, some strawberries, banana, and kiwi. Now, a lot of times we make fruit salad, especially when we were kids, people used mayonnaise. And they also put like peanuts in it and raisins and stuff. So we're gonna use, you can use yogurt, just like a plain yogurt or vanilla yogurt, but we're not using that either. This one is gonna be a little different. You can also just put the fruit. You don't have to put any kind of, binder to hold the fruit together or anything. Just, just a whole bunch of fruit. But we're gonna put a little something. Okay. We're gonna put just a splash of pineapple juice. and just a little bit of orange juice. Okay, and just a little bit of honey. And that's it. It's a honey citrus fruit salad.